there's really been nothing quite like MucoLox on the market before. So as compounders, we've got a very effective mousetrap to help keep drugs on the mucosal surface longer. We've got a product that actually is going to enhance efficacy because of that. You can treat oral, nasal, rectal, vaginal things where you've got mucous membranes that need a prolonged exposure to the active pharmaceutical ingredient. So we've utilized 3 different mechanisms to get this to stick to mucous membranes, regardless of which mucous membrane you're talking about. The mucin fibers that are found in mucus interact and kind of intertwine with the polysaccharides that we have in the MucoLox to kind of form a temporary holding of the active ingredient. And we're able to see in the oral mucosa 3D study that we did where it holds it in place for up to 24 times as long as something that is not mucoadhesive. So that's a huge advantage. And being able to have a electrical charge between the positive and the minus aspects of the mucosa versus the MucoLox itself also holds it. And then the wetting theory, one of the theories is if you've got a plane and you've got water on like a countertop and you put a piece of flat plastic on it and attach a handle to that, try to pull that away, you can't pull it. There's a lot of pressure holding, or power holding that film of liquid on the surface of the mucosa. The percentage of use of MucoLox can vary. You don't have to have real high percentages all the time. For example, in the nasal spray formulas we have, we're only using 15% MucoLox. One of the big advantages for oral use with MucoLox, because it is mucoadhesive, is that you only have to use small volumes. 1, maybe 2 or 3 milliliters is all it takes sometimes for a single treatment. So all of these different formulations for nasal, oral, vaginal, and rectal use are just great examples of how you can use compounding to help your patients.